Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we learnt some problems on the concept complementary trigonometric ratios. In this video, let us solve a few more problems on this topic. Okay. So in the first problem, it is given that A, B and C are the interior angles of triangle ABC. Okay. So if we consider a triangle ABC, these are the interior angles. Okay, then they are asking us to show that tan of a plus b whole by 2 is equal to cot c by 2. Okay, so these type of problems must be approached from the left hand side of the given equation. Okay, so LHS is tan a plus b whole by 2, which is equal to, okay, so given that ABC are the interior angles of triangle ABC, so if we add those angles, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees, because if we add all three angles in a triangle, it must be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so from this we need A plus B, so A plus B can be written as A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. So in place of A plus B, we can place 180 minus C. Okay, so in place of A plus B, I am replacing it with 180 minus C. It is whole by 2. Okay, so this is whole by 2. So this means 2 belongs to 180 and even C. That means tan 180 degrees by 2 minus C by 2. Okay. Tan 180 degrees is nothing but tan 90 degrees minus C by 2. Okay, so now we know that tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Okay, so because tan and cot are complementary trigonometric ratios, tan of 90 minus theta must be equal to cot theta. So if we compare, in place of theta we have C by 2. You can see here, in place of theta we have C by 2. So tan 90 minus C by 2 can be written as cot theta. So theta is nothing but C by 2, which is equal to cot C by 2, which is the RHS of given equation. Okay, you can clearly see here. Okay, this is how we need to approach this problem. And the second question is, we need to evaluate this following value: tan 48 degrees into sin 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into secant 74 degrees. Okay, so before evaluating this, we need to check whether we can apply this concept or not. Okay, so if we check these two, tan 48 and tan 42, so if we add these two angles, it is equal to 90 degrees. So 48 degrees plus 42 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So we need to change either tan 48 or tan 42 into its complementary. Also, see, observe these two. If we add 16 degrees and 74 degrees, so 16 degrees plus 74 degrees, it is also 90 degrees. That means we need to change either sine or secant into its complementary trigonometric ratio. Okay, so let us do the problem. So it is given here that tan 48 degrees into tan 42. So we need to change any one of these. So tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus theta. Okay, tan theta is nothing but cot 90 minus theta. So in place of theta we have 48. So tan 48 can be written as, tan 48 can be written as cot 90 minus 48. Okay, next, so I am converting this sine into its complementary. So sin theta is nothing but cos 90 minus theta. So in place of theta we have 16 degrees. So it can be written as cos 90 minus, in place of theta we have 16, so it is 16, okay, into we have tan 42 degree into secant 74 degree, okay, which is equal to, so 90 minus 48 is nothing but 42, so it is cot 42 degrees into 90 minus 16 is nothing but 74 degrees, so it is cos 74 degrees into tan 42 degree into secant 74 degrees, okay, which is equal to, so once observe here, we have tan 42 here, sorry, we have cot 42 here and we have tan 42 here. So cot 42 we can write it as 1 by tan 42 degree, because cot and tan are reciprocal to each other. Also it is cos 74 degree into tan 42 degree into secant 74. If you observe this secant 74, it is the reciprocal of cos 74, so it can be written as 1 by cos 74. Okay, so tan 42 will get cancelled out, and cos 74 and cos 74 will get cancelled out, and the answer will be 1. Okay, so the final value of this answer will be